Hello and welcome to this new video on how to write codes using ChatGPT. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Just click on it and type ChatGPT. Now press enter in the keyboard. The search results will be shown in your screen. You just have to click on the first search result, that is ChatGPT, and the ChatGPT interface will be open. And in the bottom of the ChatGPT interface, there will be a message box where you can write your question. And in order to generate code, you just have to write the programming language in which you want the code. For reference, I'll just type Python codes for our home page. And if you have query about any other programming language, then you can just write that programming language instead of Python. And when you have written it, you can just click on the enter button in your keyboard. And after that, the ChatGPT will generate the code of your question and the programming language in which you were asking the question. So this is how you can write codes using ChatGPT. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.